Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. We take a look at the chart from an Elliott wave perspective point of view. Here we take a look at various altcoins on this channel and provide market updates and analysis based on Elliott wave. So if you're interested to learn more about this structure or way of analyzing and understanding markets, and if you want to learn more about understanding cryptocurrency charts, make sure that you subscribe. Many videos are published here every single day. Now let's take a look at the longer time frame chart for the Link cryptocurrency. We can see today some upside here. The market is still holding above the important support area on the chart. This is key support here for this white scenario. The white scenario provides a roadmap to $100 plus in this cycle. I would not necessarily rely on it that the price will fill in all 5 waves to the upside, but what I'd really like to see is that the price gets to $69 or higher before the bullish cycle is complete. That means the upside pressure remains high, especially as long as we're holding above the support area here between $16.55 and $18.63. So the overall uptrend remains alive. There are bearish downtrend scenarios. However, as long as we're holding above the orange support area, my preference is for overall higher prices, and the white scenario remains preferred. The next objective for the bulls will be to drive the price above the last high, which is located at around $31, and the next upside levels to watch are located at $38.40 and $55.37, and a very important milestone target for this third wave. That's the first ideal target for this larger degree third wave. That milestone target is located at $69. Now below $16.55, or let's say $16.50, I would have to change my view, because that is when the scenarios are likely going to be changing. These Fibonacci levels, they represent market sentiment, and they are a mathematical representation of market sentiment. How does market psychology work, or mass psychology, and how do people act in the markets? And we can identify with our method those levels on the chart where sentiment might shift and where, for example, the buyers might step in, or below a certain level, we know that certain scenarios are likely not going to work out and a more bearish scenario will have to be considered. Now, this is the larger time frame. Let's switch over to the smaller time frame for Link. Here you can see that the market has reacted to this support area that we talked about in previous updates. Support did hold. And in addition to that, in one of the last videos, I also communicated to you this 1-2 setup. What is that? Based on Elliott wave, a wave 1 is a first move that goes into the larger trend direction. So if we have a wave 1, in this case to the upside, it would indicate that we're rather looking at higher prices going forward. The wave 2 is a corrective pullback. It's correcting this move up that happened and topped on Thursday. Naturally, we would expect this correction to hold a higher low, to hold a support area in order to keep this uptrend alive. This happened. The price reacted to one of these trading areas, and we're now going higher in what could be a third wave, which is often the most aggressive rally in a cycle. Now, this is only on the micro level, so it's not such a reliable perspective, but still, this is where probabilities start to build and we become more confident about the larger time frame scenario and assumption. The red zone here is a resistance area, and it shows that at $24.55, the next resistance could be occurring. So the market might face a rejection there. The level above that, which now needs to be broken to unlock higher prices, is the green line. Here we talk about $26, yeah? Which means the current idea is that this correction that I just showed you on the larger time frame could indeed have completed. The market reacted to 2 key support areas, and especially the upside momentum we see today is also promising. But to keep it up, we need that the market is holding above the Friday low that formed at $21.60, and we want to see a break above that $26 mark. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.